Hello, percussion. Happy Monday to you all. We're going to start off with some rhythm chart examples here, and as you can see, I learned a new studio trick here where I can actually put down the actual rhythms for rhythm charts here so that you can see it while we're playing along in the video. Cool? But I still want you to get that rhythm chart 11 out in front of you so you can write in the counts still if you need to, okay? So let's go over the counts real quick. So we only have 3 measures for this line, okay? And so the last line, just 3 measures. That very first measure, it's all big numbers. We have big 1, big E, big and big for that first beat, 1 E and And then we have 2 and 3 and 4 and to finish it out. The second measure, we have 1 and then the rest of the measure is just 16th notes. 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and okay? So make sure they're all big numbers. And you're putting it underneath each rhythm there. And then the last measure there, we have a quarter note, our first quarter note of this line. So big 1, and then we have big 2, big and then all big numbers and letters for the 3 E and 4 E and okay? If you need to pause and put that in, go ahead. If not, we're going to start counting it, okay? Let me get my metronome out here as you're putting in the counts. Once I have the metronome up and ready, then we'll count it here. We're going to count it with pulses, okay, for that 1 quarter note right there. Cool. Here it is. Let's count it from the beginning, okay? 1, 2, ready, count. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and Good job. Now bop it, okay? If you need to rewind that and do that again because of the pulse on that quarter note, go ahead. But we're going to bop it now, okay? 1, 2, ready, count. 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and Let's play it, all right? Get your drum pad out. We're going to play with the metronome going here, okay? Good technique, all on the wrist. Can I put that quarter or dime or whatever coin you want on there? And is it going straight up and down, okay? Alternate. Start with your right hand. 1, 2, ready, play. And that's it. We're going to do it one more time. Make sure that when we're coming from the 16th notes here to that quarter note, that we're giving its full 1 beat. So it's like 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1, 2 and, okay? Try it again. 1, sorry, let me line up here. 1, 2, again, go. Very good. If you need to rewind that, go ahead. But that's it for rhythm charts. Thank you.